Hello guys, today I made a tier list for Max Balloon Star Defense, Max Monkeys and Balloon Star Defense. We first have F tier, no F tier. E tier, we have cargo ship, that cargo ship thing, IMF loan, well, yeah, and then we have the one that costs so little, like 5,000. And then we have Mr. This is Monkeynomics for the second one. And then Monkey Wall Street is fourth. Yeah. And we have Ultra Juggernaut. I don't really like him. Doesn't do that much damage to like Moabs, I guess. Well, maybe he does now, but an upgrade, I don't know. Energizer is pretty good. Actually, I'm moving it up a tier. We have Total Transformation for C. We have Pirate Lord C. And then we have Super Brittle. Carrier Flagship. Grandmaster. Energizer again. We have B. B has Master Bomber. Also has the... What's that guy's name? Forget it. Whatever. I don't know. So, and then we have Assassin. No, not Eliminator. Mobile Eliminator. Special Poperations. Sky Shredder. Archmage. The one that attack, the village that attacks. We have A. We have Avatar Wrath. We have Balloon Incinerator. Balloon Crush. Superstorm. We have biggest one. The biggest one. We have the guy that's... I don't know the name. I forgot. It's like Balloon Liquefier, but a lot better. And we have S tier. The bests. We have BMA. Balloon Master Alchemist. So OP. I feel like... Oops. And then we have Sub Commander Perma Spike. Yeah. We have the Homeland Defense. Perma Brew, Cripple Moab. We also, if you have Cripple Moab, and then we have the Shrapnel, that would be super OP. We have, obviously, Temple of the Monkey God, or True Sun God. We have Super Mines. And lastly, we have Balloon Anti-Balloon. Yeah, that's it. Cool, right? Well, bye guys. Iska Biska.